Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to handle customer overpayments and refunds in Xero. This is an essential skill for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your customers receive proper refunds when they've paid more than necessary. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Xero account using your email address and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready to access your account dashboard. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the accounting menu. This is your central hub for managing all financial transactions and records within Xero. Click on the accounting menu and a drop-down selection will appear with various options for different accounting functions. From this drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This option gives you access to all the financial accounts you've linked to your Xero system. You'll be redirected to the Bank Accounts page where you can see a complete list of all your connected bank accounts. This overview helps you manage transactions across different accounts efficiently. Now, from the list of bank accounts displayed, select the specific account you wish to use for handling the customer overpayment and refund. Choosing the correct account is crucial to ensure the refund is processed through the right channel. Once you've selected your bank account, you'll be directed to the Bank Transactions Overview page. Here, you'll see all recent activity for that account. Look at the top menu where you'll find a Reconcile button and click on it. This feature is essential for matching transactions and identifying discrepancies like overpayments. On the Transaction Reconciliation page, scroll through to locate the specific transaction where a customer overpaid. This might take a moment if you have many transactions, so be patient as you review the list. Once you've found it, look at the right side pane and click on the Match button. This will display all items associated with this particular transaction. From the items listed, identify and select the specific item that the customer overpaid for. To select it, click on the checkbox located on the left side of that item. You'll notice it now appears in the View Your Selected Transactions section at the bottom of your screen. Next, click on the New Transaction drop-down button and select Spend Money from the options available. In the Spend As tab, you'll see a field labeled Direct Payment. Click on this drop-down and change it to Overpayment. This is a critical step because it reclassifies the transaction correctly in your system. The system will automatically adjust the amounts to reflect this change. Once you've made this selection, click on Save Transaction to record your changes. Now look for the overpayment link associated with this transaction. You'll easily identify it by the OP icon displayed on the left side. Click on this link and it will automatically redirect you to the item's detailed description page. Scroll down to the bottom section where you'll see an area labeled Receive a Cash Refund. This is where you'll process the actual refund back to your customer. You'll notice the refund amount is already pre-filled based on the overpayment from the initial transaction, which saves you time and reduces errors. Simply enter the refund date in the appropriate field, then specify the accounts associated in the Paid to field. If you have a reference number or note for this refund, go ahead and add it for better record keeping. Finally, click on Refund to complete the process, and there you have it. You've successfully handled a customer overpayment and processed a refund through Xero, ensuring accurate financial records and customer satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.